Did you know a single network misconfiguration could expose your business to cyber attacks? Today, we're diving into the top 3 tools Azure offers to make your cloud network safe: Azure Firewall, DDoS Protection, and Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Welcome to TechCirrus-SG, the channel where cloud security gets simple, actionable, and visual. Subscribe to the channel and let's secure your cloud journey together. Here's what we'll cover today. First, how Azure Firewall gives you fine-grained control over network traffic. Second, how Azure's DDoS protection shields you from massive attacks. And third, why Microsoft Defender for Cloud is your must-use dashboard for ongoing network security. Let's begin with Azure Firewall, the cloud-native security barrier for your Azure virtual networks. Think of it as a smart traffic cop that filters incoming and outgoing traffic based on rules you define. Its key benefits are: it acts as a central hub to manage what travels in and out of the network. Next key benefit is Microsoft provides high availability and seamless scaling, which technically means you don't have to worry if one of the data centers goes down. Microsoft will automatically switch traffic to another data center within the same Azure region. It's a completely managed service by Microsoft. Next benefit is its in-depth logging with Azure Monitor, which helps you capture a variety of logs. With hub-and-spoke setups, Azure Firewall lets you segment traffic between apps, data, and even environments, so only the right packets get through. Azure Firewall comes in 3 SKUs, that is Basic, Standard, and Premium. The choice of SKU depends on traffic volume, security features, and cost requirements. Each SKU is designed for distinct use cases and feature sets. Basic is suitable for small to medium businesses up to 250 Mbps throughput. It offers essential protection and low cost, but limited advanced features. Choose Basic if data traffic is low and only fundamental security is required. Check the network flow diagram also if it fits your requirement. Standard is designed for enterprises needing Layer 3 to Layer 7 firewall capabilities, automatic scaling up to 30 Gbps, and additional features like threat intelligence, DNS proxy, and web filtering. This is ideal for core business workloads requiring robust security and moderate traffic. Premium is intended for environments with highly sensitive applications, such as payment systems requiring advanced threat protection, TLS inspection, and intrusion detection prevention. Premium supports up to 100 Gbps and has the most comprehensive security controls. Pause the video if required to check which SKU is the best for your organization. Azure also provides Azure Firewall Manager, which allows you to centrally manage Azure firewalls across multiple subscriptions. It uses firewall policies to apply a common set of network and application rules and configurations to the firewalls in your tenant. Firewall Manager supports firewalls in both virtual network and virtual WAN environments. Secure virtual hubs use the Virtual WAN route automation solution to simplify routing traffic to the firewall with just a few steps. Let's also check Azure Firewall policies now. They are prioritized using integer values. Lower number is equal to higher priority, and the types include DNAT, network, and application rules. Few of the best practices are: use clear, descriptive names for collections, your rules. Organize by workload or function. Group similar rules together. Use priority increments for future growth, e.g. 100, 200, 300, and so on. Remember the processing order DNAT, network and application. Next, let's talk about DDoS attacks, when hackers overwhelm your network with fake traffic. Azure's DDoS protection automatically detects and mitigates these attacks at cloud scale. It is a cloud-native security service that safeguards Azure resources from distributed denial-of-service attacks by leveraging always-on traffic monitoring, adaptive real-time tuning, and automatic mitigation capabilities. Azure DDoS Protection offers robust, automatically adapting defense mechanisms to ensure high availability for cloud applications while minimizing the operational burden of handling complex DDoS threats, and it's quite expensive. So be careful before enabling this service. Security isn't set and forget. Microsoft Defender for Cloud is your central security control room. It monitors your network, analyzes traffic for threats, and offers recommendations to keep your posture strong. Key features include Secure Score to track progress at a glance, proactive alerts for vulnerabilities and intrusions, one-click recommendations to fix issues fast. You will get guided, step-by-step recommendations tailored to your real-world setup. That's proactive, not just reactive security. Defender for Cloud provides all-in-one protection, easy compliance, smart insights into your environment. It grows with you as your environment grows and gives you peace of mind. Defender for Plans comes into two plans, namely Plan 1 and Plan 2. Plan 1 is basic, which gives you cloud security posture management coverage, whereas Plan 2 gives you extensive coverage across server, containers, databases, etc. Plan 2 also provides vulnerability management solution, just-in-time privilege, application-level monitoring, etc. It is recommended to use Plan 2 to use maximum benefit of Defender for Cloud. Wants the best protection for your environment? Then use Azure Firewall for strict traffic filtering, DDoS Protection for attack resilience, and Microsoft Defender for Cloud for active monitoring. Hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more insights into cloud tech. See you in next video.